Hello everyone, today we are going to learn the concept about tenses and its definition, uses, structure and example. Then let's get started with our video. First, definition of tenses. Tenses are used to indicate the time of an action or event. They show when something happened in the past, present, or future, and the state of action. In English, tenses are divided into three main types. Each have different form based on time and aspect of action. The three main type of tenses are first present tense, second past tense, third future tense. Definition of present tense: describe actions or events that are happening now, are habitual or are general truth. Second, past tense: describe action or event that have already happened in the past. Third, future tense: describe action or events that will happen in the future. The four subtype of tenses are first, simple tense, second, continuous tense or progressive, third, perfect tense, fourth, perfect continuous tense. There are four subtypes of tenses. First, simple tense: describe an action that is regular, habitual, or completed at a specific time in the present, past, or future. Second, continuous or progressive tense: describe an action that is ongoing or happening at a specific moment in the present, past, or future. Third tense is perfect tense. Describe an action that was completed before another action or a specific point in the time. Fourth, perfect continuous tense. Describe an ongoing action that started in the past and has continued up to a certain point in the present or past or will continue into the future. The 12 type of tenses are first, simple present tense, second, present continuous tense, third, present perfect tense, fourth, present perfect continuous tense, fifth, simple past tense, sixth, past continuous tense, seventh, past perfect tense, eighth, past perfect continuous tense, ninth, simple future tense, 10th, future continuous tense, 11th, future perfect tense, and last 12th, future perfect continuous tense. Uses of tenses. First, simple present tense: describe habitual action, general truth, or actions happening regularly in present. Example: she reads every day. Second, present continuous tense: describe actions that are happening right now or temporary actions. Example: she is reading a book. Third, present perfect tense: describe actions that were completed at some indefinite time in the past with relevance to the present. Example: she has read 5 books this month. Fourth, present perfect continuous tense: describe actions that begin in the past and are still continuing or were recently completed. For example, she has been reading for 2 hours. Fifth one, simple past tense: describe action that happened at a specific time in the past. Example: she read the book yesterday. Sixth, past continuous tense: describe actions that were ongoing at a specific time in the past. For example, she was reading when I called her. Seventh, past perfect tense: describe an action that was completed before another action or event in the past. Example: she had read the books before the meeting. 8. Past perfect continuous tense: describe an action that was ongoing in the past until a certain point in the time. Example: She had been reading for 2 hours when I called her. Ninth, simple future tense. Describe action that will happen in the future. Example, she will read the books tomorrow. 10. Future continuous tense. Describe action that will be ongoing at a specific time in the future. For example, she will be reading at 8 pm tonight. 11th, future perfect tense. Describe action that will be completed before a specific time in the future. Example, she will have read the book by tomorrow. 12. Future perfect continuous tense. Describe action that will have been ongoing for a period of time before a specific point in the future. Example, she will have been reading for 2 hours by the time I arrive. Structure of 12 tenses. First, simple present tense. Structure, subject plus base verb bracket yes oblique es for third person singular plus object. Second, present continuous tense. Structure, subject plus am is are plus verb plus ing plus object. Third, present perfect tense. Structure, subject plus has have plus past participle plus object. Fourth, present perfect continuous tense. Structure, subject plus has have plus been plus verb plus ing plus object. Fifth, simple past tense. Structure, subject plus past form of a verb plus object. Sixth, past continuous tense. Structure, subject plus was were plus verb plus ing plus object. Seventh, past perfect tense. Structure, subject plus had plus past participle plus object. 8. Past perfect continuous tense. Structure, subject plus had plus been plus verb plus ing plus object. 9th, simple future tense. Structure, subject plus will plus base verb plus object. 10th, future continuous tense. Structure, subject plus will plus be plus verb plus ing plus object. 11th, future perfect tense. Structure, subject plus will plus have plus past participle plus object. 12th, future perfect continuous tense. Structure, subject plus will plus have plus been plus verb plus ing plus object. Thank you.